Look at Kaz's pocket, guys. Look at that, eh? Wow. Happy Sunday to you guys. Happy Sunday to you. And God knows who. Hope you guys are well. We're not doing much today, guys. We are just chilling. We're gonna go play some pool in Dalaman. It's a Sunday. It's just quiet vibes, guys. Easygoing vibes.
It's Sunday's time.
The guys are gonna go play some pool in here. Oh, it's nice in here today. Mahaba Abi. Yeah. Look at this, guys. It's all good. 2 tables today, huh?
Yep.
Because Abi, ne kadar iki
Sorry?
120.
Saatli 120. Bir tanesi.
Bir tane.
Aynen.
Every day the same.
102.
Abi sen şey yap, aç da.
Ha, süresiz açayım ben.
In here they've got these 3 pool tables, guys. But I tell you what is weird, and I need someone to help me. I hope you guys can see. Well, what is this, man? I mean, somebody explain this to me. Because there is no pockets. I don't know how this game is played.
Every time it hits the corner, you get a point, I think.
Every time going to Mari,
But every time it hits one, you get a point.
it gets the point. So I'm gonna get on a game of pool, guys, but I wanted to show you this place, guys. Really cool. Nice little chill out area here. So they charge use Yermi. It's gone up a little bit, 120 lira per table per hour. So what's that? That's like £2-3. So pretty good prices, guys. Always playing decent music. They're playing a bit of Turkish music. There was obviously Turkish guys in there, but I bet you they're gonna change it up now that we're in here. Kaz is the best here. She's a hustler. Don't watch it. Kaz is the hustler. Look at that. Look. And over here we've got Mrs. T. This professional guy over here. Look, professional. But they do serve drinks in here, guys, like lime drinks and stuff like that. Really reasonable, about 40 to 50 lira. So you're looking at about a pound or so. No, it's right? Yeah, a pound or so. So really good. It's scary stuff, guys.
You're under pressure.
Playing Kaz, yeah, because she's a hustler.
We need to take Kaz on night.
And when Kaz leaves on the table, she's about to pull me. Playing for like an hour, and I tell you what, we played 3 games and I won none. Story of my life. But I tell you who has not come off the table, that lady there, Kaz. She has been on the table continuously, hustling me. If I was a betting man, I'd be broke. But to be fair to Amari won his first game today. Hey, Amari.
No, I was like,
And Emahan did beat me, but he beat me by default because he did admit to me that he cheated a little piece. It's all good, he's honest.
a few hours later.
Guys, just walking down good old Fethiye town, man, and let me tell you, we've been to Fethiye many times, guys, but this part, we're like in this little market bit, it's nice. Nice, isn't it, baby? That koi fish, that's big. Yeah, there's koi. And some ducks, little boat. So we were gonna go to one kebab place, guys, to get a kebab. But let me tell you something, it was like 800 lira for a kebab, ridiculous. All these like little stalls, guys, in Fethiye. What would you call this bit, babe? Fethiye Old Town, right? Mahaba.
Hello, mate.
Hello, mate.
How are you, mate?
Really good. How are you, mate? All right?
I'm alright, still alive, mate.
Good to see you.
Browsing, mate?
We're just browsing. Looking is free.
Look at this free. Good for you.
See you later. E, good luck.
See you later.
I've got a nice little pub here. It's nice, isn't it? Oh, brother. Oh, Turkey, N-E equals L, okay.
Yes, please welcome.
Oh no, we're just gonna walk and when we come back we might stop and have a drink. Take care, man.
Have a good day.
You too, guys. Take a good day. Good luck. The energy down here is really good, guys. I mean, we're looking about, it's about, I don't know, 5 o'clock or so, baby. Look at all these seasonings, guys. Damn. An aftershave. It's 4:30, guys, and the energy is still pretty good, man. It's still up there, we're still vibing. So we're just walking. I don't know what we're gonna do for something to eat. Wow, guys, can almost smell the season. Look, we got everything on green curry. Wow, that's quite interesting with green curry. I might buy some on the way back, but. No, I bet you at night this place is really good, guys. I'll tell you what though, I like the way it's like a little junctions, right? So wherever you guys go, your eyes are gonna be lit up with purchases, man. Hello.
All right, bro.
All right, bro. How you doing?
Fine.
Hello, guys. Enjoy yourself day. Huh? Come. This is a nice looking restaurant.
Beer, drink.
We're gonna walk and then Sonra Geleceğim. Just walk a little bit.
Sonra geleceğim.
Yeah, Turkey.
Ah, bro.
Beyaz Turkey.
Neyse bro.
Wait a while.
Gelmeyelim.
Huh?
Gelmeyelim.
Gel.
Gelmeyelim.
If you don't come.
If we don't come, I will come. I will come. I will come.
Yeah, exactly.
I will come. Next time I'll...
I know that you'll come.
You guys don't know it get me in trouble.
No. Bye-bye, bro.
Nice seeing you. See you later. I love it. The Turkish energy is just on point, guys. Nice little coffee shop there, guys. I think we finally found some place, guys. Street food, etc. But my guy's eating. Eat, yummy. Take time.
We will look at menu.
Yeah, we all look at menu.
We will sit
Eat
outside.
your apple. Yeah, how do you say it? Elma Yerim. The menu here, guys, looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. They got everything from a basic burger to things I've never even heard of, like truffle parmesan lait. I mean, that sounds interesting. I think it's some type of chips. So what I like as well, they got English on one side and Turkish on the other. So if you are struggling with the language, they got you covered. But yeah, looks pretty good, guys. I'm gonna tell you what the food's like. Hey guys, there's many places to eat in and around big, bold, beautiful Fethiye. You know, we went to that Pazar restaurant, which we will go there and eat. But that's like a special occasion place because the kebabs were how much?
850 TL. That's a lot of money for a kebab.
But you know, there's fast food joints here now. You know, you got Burger King and you got Popeye's chicken. But really, like, supporting these local businesses. You can see this place looks fairly new. I haven't seen it before, have you, T?
No.
You know, so fairly new. And a lot of these guys, I'm not saying, you know, my assumption is a lot of these guys do a lot of stuff on credit. So helping these small businesses establish themselves is key. And I like it, guys. It's called street food, but literally, yeah, you are just sitting on the street. So guys, truffle parmesan's arrived. Sorry, Ma, if you don't like these, you can get what you like. I don't think Amari likes these guys, but truffle parmesan. I can see the parmesan on there. Yeah, right.
Really nice.
You know you're at a good burger place, guys, or street food place, when they're serving you Heinz ketchup and Heinz mayonnaise. Well, that's what it says on the tin anyway. I'm going to tell you though, because I can tell you, I know my Heinz, man. You can't hide it from me. And Heinz mustard, you can't hide it from me. Let me tell you. That is Heinz. You can't hide that, can you? The FS here is 150, guys. You could probably pick up an FS in the stores for about 60 or 70 lira. So they're doubling the money here. Well, you know, a restaurant, they're here to make money. Wow, the first burgers are up. The burgers are up.
Brisket.
You do biscuit?
I was biscuit. Oh, that looks good. Ribs. Wow.
Ah, mine's to be. Yours brisket, that's it. Don't
Wow.
This is the pastrami, the beef, avocado, cheese, mayonnaise.
Nice.
Very nice. Chocolate. Beef is nice, pastrami is nice, avocado is lovely. Chocolate.
It's like a decent burger as well, babe. It looks thick.
Yeah, nice
And the beef
juicy.
burger itself looks thick.
Very nice.
Looks nice.
So what have you got, Amari? Rib.
I've got myself the brisket. And again, guys, makeup artist, just thank you for that, makeup artist. Yeah, sorry guys, you know, I've got my production teams here, just making sure I'm looking all right. But guys, just look at it. I like the bun, guys.
Oh, yours looks juicy.
But yeah, you got the woo, big, thick 2 slices of American cheese. No, it's one. No, it's 2 slices of American cheese. And you got the brisket inside.
Yeah.
My mouth is watering, guys. My mouth is starting to
Take
water.
a bite, take a bite, take a bite.
Here we go, here we go. I love it. The barbecue sauce isn't overpowering it. And the brisket is so succulent and moist, guys. It said in the menu, it's been well rested. And I was like, yeah, whatever. But that, I don't know my meat, but that does taste like a very good cut of beef before they made a brisket. So we're happy, guys. We're gonna eat this. We'll catch you guys in a minute. It was delicious. And it was just enough food, you know. I don't feel over bloated. Like I'm ready to go to bed, isn't it?
Yeah,
I feel good.
There was enough for the stomach. Don't feel sluggish. Feel content.
Yeah, so I'm happy with that, guys. So I'm gonna drink another. This is to you guys, man. Amari said he feels full up. Amari, how full are you?
Not full at all.
Yeah. Would you like to order another burger?
Yes.
This is the chef, guys. This is the guy who hooked us up, that wonderful meal. Really good. So we'll be back here again, guys. If you're in Fethiye, check it out. Street food, right here on the Fethiye High Street. Good food. Guys, I just feel like now, like after having like a beer and a half, I'm a little bit too mellow now. So we're gonna look to get back to the car. Look, I'm all gassed up. I'm all gassed up there. So excuse me, guys. I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my family now, guys. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Please, if you can, hit the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and hitting the like button is good because it just gets, not only it helps us out, not only does it help us out, but it just helps out anybody else who's looking for this type of content. All right, guys, stay with a smile. See you guys soon.
What does help us out?
When you subscribe. Laters, guys.
Can try for free. It's traditional Turkish ice cream. Milk and salep.
For me, I got a blueberry frozen. Ah, you know when it's hot out here, guys, 37 degrees. This is what it's about, baby.